What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering some brand new job leads, some jobs here where you can make quite a lot of money. And these jobs are going to be in different fields. So we're going to be looking at a client strategist position, a creative content manager position, a graphic designer position, and some other positions as well. And all these jobs are remote work from home jobs. So be sure to stick around to the very end so you can hear all about these opportunities as well. Also, just in case you guys haven't already done so, I just posted a brand new job lead on the work from home channel, which is my second channel. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over to that channel, check that out, as you may be interested in that position. But without wasting any time, let's dive into the job leads for today. So the first job lead here, and by the way, these are coming out of this company, it's the Kronos agency. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And they currently have several positions here listed. So client strategist, creative content manager. We could go ahead and take a look at some of these positions right now. So as for the client strategist here, it is a full-time remote position. It says here, the client strategist exists to develop and implement data-driven marketing strategies tailored to client needs, ensuring a positive client experience and maximizing campaign performance. This role focuses on client-facing interactions, strategic planning, and ongoing optimization to drive business growth. Also, key responsibilities here of this job would include to collaborate with clients to understand their business needs and objectives, strategize, formulate, and execute email, SMS, and other retention marketing strategies, communicate insights and reports on performance, work with the client strategy manager to manage multiple client accounts, collaborate with the activations team to ensure thorough strategy and instructions, aligning everyone on the overall strategy. Also, share industry insights and information with marketing to position the company as a thought leader. Now for this job, they didn't list any qualifications per se, but they listed like key outcomes and what they would want the person to be able to do. So one, create and implement effective marketing strategies that meets client needs, manage retention marketing programs for multiple brands, ensuring client satisfaction and retention, demonstrate a deep understanding of client business needs and translate them into marketing strategies, analyze and track data to maximize the performance of email and other retention marketing campaigns, also communicate marketing insights and reports on performance and plan for further development, align or ensure the activations team has clear instructions and is aligned with overall strategy, also successfully upsell and cross-sell services, increasing revenue and client engagement. Now, if this sounds like something that you would be interested in, is a full-time position here. You get 30 days of paid time off every year. You get paid holidays. You get a ton of other benefits here. So you could apply. Now, the only downside for this job is that there's no salary listed or no idea of how much this position actually pays. So I went over to Glassdoor to find this company. So company is listed here on Glassdoor, over 80 reviews and around 63 reported salaries. But for most of the positions that they have open, I wasn't able to find any salaries for those, just these positions right here. So an email marketing manager makes on average around $78,000 per year. Sales associate makes around $63,000. But then again, these are based on only one reported salary, so these may not be all that accurate. I usually prefer when there are multiple reported salaries for each particular job. Then you can tell that it's a bit more accurate. So not really sure how much this company is paying, or this agency, or if these jobs are actually for their clients and not this agency per se. So you'll have to find that out in the interview. But they also have other positions here. So a creative content manager, this is another remote position that they have here as well. And it is a full-time position. Now for this one, they did list the qualifications that you need here. So they're looking for someone that has 4+ years of experience in content management, preferably within an e-commerce or brand marketing environment. Also a bachelor's degree in either graphic design, multimedia arts, marketing, or a related field. Advanced skills in Adobe Creative Suite, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, Illustrator, and any other relevant design and editing tools. Strong portfolio showcasing a range of creative work in video and graphic design. Also excellent communication and client management skills, proven ability to develop innovative and effective creative content, passion for continuous learning and staying updated on industry trends, best practices, and emerging technologies. Same type of benefits you get here, over 30 days off PTO and some other really good perks as well. Now for this job, this is what you will be doing here. So this role is for executing creative strategies that drive performance for e-commerce clients, ensuring that visual assets are compelling, on brand, and effective in achieving marketing goals. So again, if this sounds like something that you have experience in or something that you'd like to be involved in, I'll leave the link down below for this position as well. Now, some other positions that they have here open right now would include like a freelance graphic designer position. For this one, you would need some experience in doing graphic designing. So minimum of 2 years of graphic design experience is necessary. They're looking for someone that has a bachelor's degree in multimedia arts or a similar field that is required as well. Experience in e-commerce is also preferred. Excellent written and verbal English communication skills are required as well. Also, quick learner with the ability to adapt to new software, strong critical thinking, analytical and organizational and time management skills as well. So these are just some of the things that you would need to land this job, and this is a temporary freelance position, so no benefits for this position. Other jobs they have here would include like a email marketing executive position. And for this one, they're looking for someone that has a bachelor's degree in marketing communications or something that is similar. Also 2+ years of progressive experience in email marketing, proficiency in email marketing platforms, also experience in handling multiple client accounts, ability to work independently in a remote setting as well, and also willing to work on a contract basis until December of this year. What you'll be doing here is you'll create email marketing automation and targeting strategies based on customer life cycles, develop and execute large-scale email marketing campaigns, launch and quality check email marketing automation and campaigns to ensure 100% or that they are 100% error-free. Work with the graphic design and copywriting teams to develop design strategy for each client, create monthly reports, analyze campaign performance and suggest improvements, and also gather and analyze competitor email programs for insights around email strategy, targeting, promotional offers, and timing. So this is another job that you can apply to. Again, no salary listed or compensation wasn't listed here. So these jobs may actually be for clients of this agency and not for this agency per se, but you'd have to verify that in the interview, and also the salaries, because not many salaries listed here on Glassdoor for this company, and we are not sure who or where their clients are, so we don't know what those jobs are actually paying. Now, with that said, I just posted another brand new remote work from home job lead on the work from home channel. That's my second channel, this channel right here. So if you haven't already done so, be sure to go over to this channel, be sure to subscribe, but more importantly, tap the notification bell right here so you never miss out on another brand new job lead. And these are really high paying jobs. So for example, over $1,500 working here per week with flexible PTO. Jobs here that will pay you over $38 per hour, tech jobs that is. Also $24 per hour watching videos online, data entry jobs here that will pay you $35 per hour, worldwide jobs as well. So if you're looking for worldwide opportunities, if you're looking for full-time, part-time, overnight, flexible schedule opportunities, this is where you'll find the highest paying remote work from home job videos. So be sure to go over, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. Also, for those of you guys who are struggling with your resume and you need help, I'll leave a link down below to this resource that I created to help you guys out. This is the Pro Resume Templates professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. Everything comes with instructions. Everything is fully customizable. Also, you don't need to pay for any software. You could use Google Docs to customize these, and you could do so on any platform. So laptop, MacBook, just about anything that has a browser or internet connection, and you have either a keyboard or some method of typing, you can use that to edit or customize these templates. So link is down below if you do need this. And also some other jobs that I covered previously that are still open that you can still apply for would include these jobs here at One Call, which would include all these jobs here, which are remote work from home jobs. They're hiring. So you could check out the video from yesterday or 1 to 2 days ago to find these job links. Also, these positions here at Gaggle paying upwards of $50 per hour in some cases. And also we had other positions here at Transamerica paying up to $95,000 per year. So a ton of opportunities covered in the past 1 to 2 days. So be sure to check these out. Also, ABC Legal had some opportunities here paying up to $18 per hour, which were beginner friendly positions. Didn't need any experience to land these as well. And a graphic designer and copywriter position here at Stayer, which were paying up to, I think, $50 per hour. This job was paying anywhere from $45 to $50 per hour. And the other position here was paying anywhere from $38 to $43 per hour. And these were also part-time jobs, so not full-time, and they were flexible. So you could actually do this with whatever you have going on right now. So really good opportunities posted within the past 2 days. So be sure to go back and check out those videos if you missed out on any of those job leads. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.